Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at a Carrier 4-ton condenser that we just installed, and we moved it from the backyard to the side yard. So I'm going to go through this installation, show you what we did and how we moved it over to the side yard, because this is a very popular thing to do. And we did this slimline condenser because you see the side yard is only about 8 feet across here. So we wanted to make sure there was enough access for people, yard equipment, all that stuff to get by it. So as always, please like this video, subscribe to my page for more informational videos about Carrier systems like this. Also, leave a comment in the section below. Let me know what you think of this. I'm happy to answer any of those questions you have. And if you're located near Anaheim, California, where we are, and you'd like an estimate on a new Carrier system or moving a condenser to the side of the house, give me a call at 714-526-6368 or visit us at albertair.com. So let's get right into this installation. So previously, this condenser that they had was about 30 years old. It was located right here. You can see where the lines went down the side of the house. The disconnect box was right there, and the condenser sat on the ground right here. It was about 30 years old. They're going to be doing some landscaping in the backyard and didn't want it here anymore. So we moved it around to the side of the house. And to be able to do that, we basically have to move three things. We have to move electrical, we have to move refrigerant lines, and we have to have a pad that it sits on. So luckily the electrical was ran through the attic, and what we were able to do is add this line cover. So inside this, we were able to go in the attic and do a J box off the existing electrical coming across the attic from the panel on the other side of the house, and we ran it down to this disconnect right here, and then that goes into the unit. So that's how the electrical got over here. The next thing is these refrigerant lines that attach to the unit down here. So the old refrigerant lines were actually too small for the new condenser, because this is a 4-ton Carrier slimline condenser. So we did run brand new 7/8, 3/8 lines. They come across the attic, they come down this line cover right here with the control wiring, and then into the unit. And then finally, we also had to do a pad. So the owners are gonna re-landscape this whole backyard, and they're gonna level this ground on the side yard and do new pavers in the back. And what they did is they poured a temporary pad here for us to put it on top of, and the ground will be leveled around it. And then we put our condenser on top of that pad and secure it down. So that's basically what we did. The old unit, 30 years old, it was a lot louder. They didn't really want a loud unit sitting in their backyard anymore. They wanted something that works as well. So this new Carrier 4-ton slimline condenser fits perfect on the side yard now. It's a lot quieter than the old one. The air actually gets expelled out to the side this way instead of out the top. The fan is very quiet compared to the old one, about 73 decibels on this unit. So all in all, they got everything they needed, a brand new Carrier 4-ton system that is working fantastic. The unit moved to the side yard, which is where they want it, out of the way, out of view of their patio and their pool area where they entertain guests. So great install. We just finished this, so let me know what you think. I appreciate any of your comments. I'm happy to answer your questions about if you want to move a system to the side yard, what that might take. And as always, please like this video, subscribe to our page for more informational videos like this. If you're around the Anaheim area in Orange County, California, I'm happy to talk to you, give you an estimate if you'd like. You can reach me at 714-526-6368 or at www.albertair.com. Thank you for watching.